Good day. So this is my video presentation about business analytics in course packet 5. So let's start with analytics. Analytics can be defined as a process that involves the use of statistical techniques. Simply, analytics convert data into useful information, and analytics is an older term commonly applied to all disciplines, not just into business. So the next one is, what is business analytics? It is a it is an umbrella term that combines architectures, tools, databases, analytical applications, and methodologies. Also, the business analytics can be defined as a process beginning with business-related data collection and consisting of sequential applications of descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive major analytic components, the outcome of which supports and demonstrates business decision-making and organizational performance. Business analytics goes beyond plain analytics, requiring a clear relevancy to business, a resulting insight that will be implementable, and performance and value measurement to ensure a successful business result. So let's begin with types of business analytics according to purpose. First one is descriptive. It is an exploratory data analysis. It allows to identify possible trends in large datasets or databases. The second one is predictive. It is to build predictive models designed to identify and predict future trends. And the last one is the prescriptive. It allows to allocate resources optimally to take advantage of predicted trends or future opportunities. So the descriptive is it is to get a rough picture of what generally the data looks like and what criteria might have potential for identifying trends or future businesses. So for the predictive, it is allows to seek and find patterns and trend within an historical data to provide useful information that can aid decision makers. And the last one is the prescriptive or the prescriptive optimization. It is to seek and find the best solution given multiple what-if scenarios. So the next one is the methodologies used in prescriptive, descriptive, and predictive analysis. In the predictive, statistical methods like multiple regressions and ANOVA, information system methods like data mining and sorting operations research, methods like forecasting models. In the prescriptive operations research methodologies like linear programming and decision theory. So for the descriptive, including measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion. So for the predictive methodologies, typical business uses include understanding how sales might close at the end of the year, predicting what items customers will purchase together, or forecasting inventory level based upon a myriad variables. So, in the methodologies of prescriptive, it uses it uses prescriptive analytics for scheduling the inventory in the supply chain, optimization, production, etc., and to optimize customer experience. So, into this And lastly, the predictive. In this question, set of data is examined to see the result of the question. So now let's move on to the characteristic of business intelligence and business analytics. Business intelligence can be defined as a set of processes and technologies that convert data into meaningful and useful information for business purposes. So, business intelligence is focused on querying and reporting, but it can include reported information from business analysis. Business intelligence also seeks to answer questions such as what is happening now and where, and also what businesses action are needed based on prior experience. The second one is business analytics. It can answer questions like why something is happening, what new trends may exist, what will happen next, and what is the best course for the future. Business analytics, on the other hand, can include reporting results like business intelligence but seeks to explain why the results occur based on the analysis rather than just reporting and storing the results, as is the case with business intelligence. So the next one is the business analytics framework. In general terminology, a business analysis framework is nothing but a conceptual structure which talks more about the utilization of knowledge, process techniques, and a critical analysis which helps in getting on the required business requirements. By using this framework, the individual will be able to understand the pain points of the business and also emphasize more on business enhancement and opportunities. So the next one is the source system. Source of data that drive the business analytics framework. It also refers to any system or file that captures or holds data of interest. For example, purchase orders from the sales team, transactions from accounting, pre-orders from inventory management, lead from marketing, and any other internal source who collects information about the customers. So the next one is the data integration. It is the tool that extracts data from all source systems, transforms them into a unified template, and loads it into a data warehouse for storage. The goal of a data integration is to gather data from different sources, combine it, and present it in a such way that it appears to be unified.